The old Kastmaster doing work, son. Doing work. No! Welcome back, everybody, to Kirk's Outdoors Adventures. Today, as you've seen in the thumbnail, we're doing the Kastmaster challenge. As I walk down the hill, there's fish sitting right there on a bed. There they go. See them? So let's get out here. The challenge is to, obviously, we'll probably catch some brown trout. And maybe we can catch us a steelhead on it. Let's get out here and see what we can do. Kastmaster, killing it out here. Nice little wow rainbow. Barely hooked in the lip, so we're just gonna doses, buddy. See you later. You kidding me? Got absolutely demolished over there, but did not hook up. Trout on the Kastmaster. What is it? Probably brown. Oh yeah. No, it's a rainbow. It's a rainbow. Look at the colors on that guy. Beautiful. Fish on. This one's brown. Heck yeah. The old Kastmaster doing work. Dude, I'm gonna let you go. Oh, okay, let yourself go. Oh, see, now look. You're in the mud. Hey there, little fella. You know, I was just trying to help you out, man. You wanna freak out? Camera wasn't on. The old Kastmaster doing work, son. Doing work. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice buckarooski. Dang, son. Might have found my new favorite lure. You can't resist the old Kastmaster. Oh yeah. Whoa. That's gonna do it for today's episode. Kastmaster slayed him. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.